Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to talk about kind of how this works when we're looking at how to check. So, how do we check solutions for linear equations? Remember, linear equations have to do with lines. So we are starting with the whole graphing idea, but before we even get there, let's look at some equations. So if I have, for example, I'll just make them nice. Y equals 2x minus 1, and this is equation A. Equation B is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 5. Okay, so these are our two equations. Let's say that someone says, hey, I already know the solution. Okay, and they think that the solution is 2, no, sorry, not 2. Let's go with 1, positive 2. Okay, now just a reminder that this is our x, this is our y. So I'm going to have to look at both equations. Let's start by looking at, let me just change the color really quick for us. We are going to look at equation A. Okay, so equation A, in place of y, I'm going to put in 2. And in place of x, I'm putting in 1. So 2 times equals 2 times 1 minus 1. So 2 equals 2 minus 1, 2, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. The question is this true? No. So now let's look at question B. Or equation B, I apologize. So let's look at equation B. It's going to be y equals negative 3 over 2x. Be careful because this is that multiplying, so it's going to be 2 equals negative 3 over 2 times 1 plus 5. 2 equals negative 3 over 2 plus 5. Let's just move this down. And so when we look at this, we are saying y equals negative 3 over 2. And we're going to make these with a common denominator, so it's going to be 10 over 2. So it's going to be 2 equals 7 over 2, which is the same thing as 3 and 1/2. So does 2 equal 3 1/2? Are they the same thing? No, which means just by these, when we check, we are saying, okay, it is not possible for this to be a solution. So no, it's not a solution. Okay? And this is pretty much how this works. Let's look at another one. What about looking at y equals, let's put this down here, y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 2 and 1/3. And our second equation of b, which is going to be y equals 1 over 3x plus 1/3. I know these are some really, really not so nice, things that I'm throwing at you. So if we look at that and we say, what's the solution? And someone says that our solution is at, let's say it's at 2, 2, or they've graphed it. And this is where those lines cross. So let's look at equation A first. So in place of y, we're going to put in 2. So 2 equals negative 2 over 3 times 2 plus 2 and 1/3. So 2 equals negative 4 over 3 plus 2 and 1/3. So we get 2 equals, let's see, we have two wholes. Negative 4 plus 1 is going to be negative 3 over 3. So 2 equals 2 times negative 1. Probably should have converted this differently. I apologize. So this is not correct. So let's do one that's a little bit nicer. And we're going to go to the b. Let's look at our b equation. So 2 equals 1/3 times 2 plus 1/3. 2 equals 2/3 plus 1/3. 2 equals 3/3, which is the same thing as 1. Is this true? No, we are really not doing good here. All of our equations so far are not actually solutions. So this is also a no. But this is how we are checking for them. This is how we check for solutions. This is the video for checking solutions. If you need help with graphing them, please check out the next video on graphing linear equations for solutions, okay? I will see you guys later. Bye.